Assalamu alaikum student. Welcome to Pakistan Montessori International. Mathematic file practical number 8, presentation number 1. Before time you have your practical with number rod and that was about counting practice. This time the same number rods are being used for the concept of addition and subtraction. After introducing 0 to 9 number and then 10 to 99, we're going to inform about addition and subtraction of some particular numbers. So, for this exercise, we have few objects with us. The number rods, all, some plain papers with numbers or the counters, and the addition sign. Presentation 1 shows you addition. Now, the directress invites the child to build 2 stairs without the number rods. The rods on the left acts as controller of and counter rods on the right use for addition purpose. So the directress takes a rod from the left, count them, for example 7. Here. Now the addition is going to be start with the small rods. Any small rod like 1, 2, 3 can be chosen. Here, number 4. Number 4. A rod with 4 equal portions. Number 4 is going to add the addition sign. The 4 is going to add with 2. 2. The rod with 2. The directress now tells the child to count all the number rods and impress number with it. 4 plus 2 is equal 4 and 2. 4 plus 2 is equal, will you please count? Yes. The directress now show the child the rod with 4 plus 2 that is equivalent to 2 small rod and that is 6. And that is 6. She's going to show number 6. Tell the child to count numbers and the portion of colors in rod that must be equal to 2 small rods. This is how, number by number, all the units have been given. Further, the units are finished, then the tens has to be introduced. Addition of tens. Remove and do. The directress in one presentation choose small rods for addition. Secondly, the choice of long rods, a little big number. The bigger one might be with a smaller one. Number 8. A bigger rod of number 8. Put the rod with number addition plus 8 may be added with 3. 3. The rod of 3 colors. 1, 2, 3 portion. When 8 is added in 3, which rod is equal to these two rods? The 10 with 1 is equal to 10 and 1. The 10 and 1 count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The higher number more than the units. Now the tens are being given. Along with units, the addition of tens can be given, but in the number rods, mostly we provide them addition and subtraction concept of units. The same activity in presentation number 2. This time, let's arrange the rods. Students, always keep in mind, the number 0 to 9 or 10 is being introduced before, and in the units, you have to inform, teach and tell the child addition and subtraction, even and odd, as previously given in your other practicals. Presentation number 2 is related to subtraction. In the same manner, when we are having bigger and smaller rods, we are going to take the minus sign to tell and guide the student about subtraction, how a bigger number is being subtracted or being backwarded by another number. We have number 5. The 5 number rod is here. From 5 number, we are going to minus 3. 3. From 5, we are going to minus 3. Now, 5 minus 3, how many left? How many colors left? 5 minus 3 is equal 2. 2 number rods are left. 5 minus 3 is 2. When we are subtracting a number, we know how many left. And when we are adding the number, we can say how many all together. Thank you so much.